One of the most commonly asked questions I get is, can I do stairs after a total hip or a total knee replacement? Almost everybody has stairs at home, and so it's one of those very common and important questions to ask. Now, the good news about joint replacement is not only can you do stairs afterwards, you have to do stairs to even pass physical therapy. So some of the post-operative physical therapy that you get even in the recovery room is going to include stairs. So it's a very good question and very important to think about for post-operative rehab, and it's something we take care of right away, right after the surgery. Hi everyone, thanks again for tuning into Season 2 of the Morwood Minute. If you would like to schedule a consult, please feel free to reach out to the office. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss another episode of the Morwood Minute. Have any more questions for me? Please feel free to leave a comment below to have your question answered in a future season of the Morwood Minute. Thanks again.